How to create Instagram professional account. So let's get started. Firstly, use your existing profile or create a new account just for this purpose. It's available on web browsers, but we recommend the Instagram app as some features are only available there. It's free for iOS and Android devices. After that, new users have personal accounts by default. The switch to a personal account isn't permanent. You can switch between personal, business, and creator accounts at any time. Navigate to your Instagram settings by tapping on the hamburger menu at the top right corner of your Instagram profile. Then scroll down and click Account and tap on the Switch to Professional account. Later, you will be asked to select a creator account or business account. Remember that all business accounts are public, so you won't have the option to have a private business account. Switching back to a personal account will erase data from your business account. The system will turn off all in-app insights and permanently delete your content and add insights. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.